No, Derek, I said get out.
Brayden is gonna kill me.
Look, I don't care. Okay, my room is off limits. Now get out and would you please
Hey,
stay?
keep World War III down a minute. What's going on?
I need Derek to barge in.
You out.
But Brayden will...
Look, if Brayden touches a hair on your head, I will rip his ears off.
Oh, okay, cool.
He's such a pest.
Well, 9-year-old boys are pests. It's what they do. May I? I think this top looks great on you.
I look ridiculous.
Ridiculous? Have you seen some of these women in the magazine? Here, come here. They're freaks. I know. Without the hair and the makeup and the airbrushing, believe me, you're way prettier than they are. You want to tell me what's going on?
Do you promise not to tell?
I swear. You got a hot date?
I wish I knew.
So you're trying to figure out if he asked you out as friends or something more?
Well, kind of, but... Exactly.
So you blew off Ian Straub in front of his entire company.
I know, it was stupid.
That's not stupid. That's what I call a defining moment.
The definition being unemployed failure.
You know what I think? I think you have no idea how amazingly successful you're going to be. What?
Just when you say it like that, I actually believe you.
That comes from experience. I mean, that's from the guy who told the managing partner of Miller, Pearl, and Morrow exactly what the rest of the firm thought about it. In front of the whole executive board.
Ouch.
Yeah. Gave my wife a coronary. That was the day I woke up, though.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Unfortunately, Rachel was never in love with who I was. Just who I was trying to become. It's a problem with getting married so young. Who really knows who they are?
I think that's why I left Kansas the minute I could. It was so oppressive and there was so much expectation. I didn't think I'd ever figure out what I really wanted.
Well, just that it wasn't there.
Exactly.
Come on, let's go.
You do this a lot?
Yeah, all the time.
Really?
Yeah. Thank you. You ready to push? Let's do it. Man, I can't wait to hit that.
Yeah, I hate chicks who surf. But...
Yeah, I let her ride my wave, you know? Up and down.
Hey, look at this guy. Hey, whoa, yo, bro. You don't actually think you're gonna surf here?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, man, it's a private beach.
Really? It's funny, I thought the state owned it.
You're that guy who got a lawyer.
Let me help you out, okay? I think Kansas is that way.
That way?
Yeah.
That's funny, but...
Hey, now, you be like that? We're politely inviting you to leave.
Next time, I'm not gonna be so polite.
That was nice.
I was shooting for a little better than nice.
Oh my God, it's 2 o'clock.
Doesn't feel like it.
No, but...
Hey, what do you do for Founders Day?
I've never really gotten into third-tier holidays.
Oh, third tier can be fun.
Yeah. I was thinking you, me, a picnic at Spanish Cove.
Oh, Spanish Cove. You are romantic.
I'll call you in a few hours.
Hey, how about lunch tomorrow? And dinner? I'll call you later.
Nikki, what are you doing up?
I couldn't sleep, and I was just... Are you just getting home?
What do you mean?
Didn't you have a date?
A date?
With the doctor?
Oh, yeah, a date. With the doctor. It was great. Yeah, but we had to end it a little early because I ran into an old friend and then we were... Wow, it's so late. Shouldn't you go back to bed? I mean, you have camp in the morning. Did you need to talk to me about something?
No, I was just heading up to bed. But I'm glad your date went good.
What's up with you today?
Nothing.
Something. You know how to do a cutback. Mind and body. If you're not riding the wave rides you.
Look, Eric, that guy Tanner.
What about him? What?
Don't go out with him.
Excuse me?
It's just... I heard him talking trash about you and what he was gonna do. I heard him talking.
Can I tell you something? And don't take this the wrong way, but it's really not cool to tell girls what guys say.
I just don't want you to get hurt.
I can take care of myself.
You need more squid?
Yeah. Thanks.
So I was thinking about Founders Day. The word on the street is you're right. It's gonna be lame.
It's okay. We don't have to go.
Good. But I was thinking we could watch the fireworks from my house.